In this video, we are going to highlight the functionalities of the SugarCRM MailChimp integration plugin. Go to the admin panel and select the module loader option. As you can see, the SugarCRM MailChimp integration plugin is already installed in the system. Back to the admin and open the license module this time. The status of the plugin is verified and active. Now, we will create a new MailChimp configuration setting. First, give a name to the configuration. For API key, go to MailChimp and open the user's profile. From the Extras drop-down menu, click on the API keys option. Scroll down and click on Create a Key button. Then copy the API key and paste it into the required field in SugarCRM. After that, select CRM modules that you want to sync with MailChimp and click on the Save button. Next, go to the top of the dashboard and copy the webhook URL. Then, open MailChimp and go to the Audience section. From the Manage Audience drop-down menu, click on the Settings option. On the next page, select the Webhooks option. After that, click on the Create a Webhook button and paste the URL into the callback URL field at the top. Scroll down and click on the Save button. Finally, your webhook is now configured in MailChimp and now the data can be synced. Next, go to the Leads module. As of now, there are no records either in SugarCRM or MailChimp. Now, we will create a new record in the Leads module. For this, fill the required fields with appropriate information. Click on the Save button. Record is successfully created in SugarCRM. Now let's look in the MailChimp. For this, go to the All Contacts section and refresh the page. You can clearly see the same record is created here as well. This time we will add a subscriber in MailChimp. Add the required information and click on the Subscribe button. Now there are 2 subscribers in MailChimp. Open the SugarCRM and refresh the Leads module page. The record that we created in MailChimp is synced in SugarCRM as well. Now we'll rename the record in MailChimp. Then, open the SugarCRM and refresh the Leads module page. You'll see the lead is renamed here as well. Next, rename the lead in SugarCRM and save the changes. Open MailChimp and refresh. Since both are synced, the name is changed here as well. After that, open the Tags section in MailChimp. Currently, there are no tags here. In SugarCRM, open the Target Lists module. You'll find no records here, so we'll create a new one. Give a name to the list and click on the Save button. Go to the Tags section in MailChimp and refresh the page. The target list that you created in SugarCRM is available here as a tag. Now, we'll create a new tag in MailChimp. Then go to the Target Lists module in SugarCRM and refresh the list. The plugin has successfully synced the tags between both platforms. Open a target list that we recently created. You can see there is no lead attached right now. Next, go to the Tags section in MailChimp. Here, we will add a contact to the tag we just created. Now, go back to SugarCRM and refresh the list page. As you can see, the lead is attached here as well. In SugarCRM, open both leads that we created earlier. Currently, there are no emails attached to them. Now, we are going to run a campaign on MailChimp. For this, we'll replicate one of our existing campaigns. Here, you'll be able to see from email address, subject, and body. Also, by clicking on the number of recipients, you can see their details. After that, click on the Send button, and after reviewing, click on the Send Now button. The email campaign is finally sent. Go back to the leads and refresh the page. Email is successfully attached to both of the leads. If you click on the attached email, then you'll be able to entire email with information like from and to email addresses, email body, lead to which the email is associated. Thanks for watching.